Welcome to the Sunnerdome in Nijmegen, where we will host our first Tech Day. This is a place where innovations meets expertise. An inspiring environment with breathtaking views of a green oasis.
We invite all technical engineers with a love for Peplink to join us this summer on the only European tech event this year. We have presentations, workshops, everything about Peplink.
As daylight fades, join us for good food and great chats at the dinner party. And maybe even pick up an award during the award ceremony, recognizing our customers' outstanding contributions to all inspiring Peplink enthusiasts.
Space is limited, the future is not.
Join us at the Frontier Tech Day,
13th of June, and enjoy the power of Peplink.